Welcome to Delve Stack, and today I'm going to show you how to remove malicious websites from Google Chrome. So guys, today I will be showing you some practical ways in order for you to do this. So first thing is you could just simply open up your Chrome and select the three dots over here on the top right corner, and you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here. So the first thing that you should consider is you could just simply go for the search bar over here, and you could just simply search for safety. Now here on the safety, it will be only one feature, and it is a built-in feature by Google Chrome. So from here, you could just simply select go to a safety check. Now here, as you can see, I will have an option over here, exclamation point. So you could just simply click on it and make sure to have the latest version of the Chrome, and you can just simply relaunch it in order for you to get the latest version. And this is safe for malicious website, and you can just also go for the safe browsing is on, and make sure you have the enhanced protection turned on in order for you to have a safe browsing. So if you only have standard one, make sure to have the enhanced protection. And when you go back, you will have a weak password over here. And of course, as you can see over here, it is showing you that you need to have a stronger password. Now, another one is you could just simply go ahead and go for the Incognito mode when you are browsing, so you are safe from any malwares. And you could also go for the reset settings over here, and you could just simply go for the restore settings to their original defaults, and you could just simply go for the reset settings. And now guys, another one that you should consider is uninstalling some extensions. So the extensions icon will be over here, and now here you should be able to see all of your extensions. So as much as possible, if you are not using any extensions, you can just simply turn them off or make sure to remove them, because sometimes these extensions have viruses inside them. And pretty much over here, you should be able to have a safe browsing on the Chrome.